Welcome back, guys. I'm here with Beauty Forever once more. Same packaging as before. Alright, so as I open the box, I see the wig, which we'll get into just in a bit. I have a Beauty Forever headband, elastic headband here. It's branded, as you can see. I got my favorite kind of wig cap to get, a pair of that. I love these wig caps. They're so breathable and easy to do a ball cap method. It's just really nice for installation. Love it. And then I got these little strips here, like for your wig. And then I got a goodie bag. So, oh my gosh, they put another pair of the wig caps in here. Love that. I got another elastic headband that's printed. I got a pair of lashes. Very cute. And lastly, in the bag, I got this brush. So, really nice goodies. Very, very nice. So, let's get into today's wig. I see color and I'm excited. Guys, so for today's wig, I got a really beautiful 13x4 transparent lace front wig. This is a ginger colored curly wig. It's 24 inches long, by the way. Love that. It's so full, super full. It's not like super soft, but it's nice. You know, it's standard with the texture. It's full to the tip of the hair. It's so gorgeous. Be loving me. Just you guys know I love my curly textures, and if you can get it in colored, that's a must. Like a gorgeous color like this. Spring is coming, and I just feel like this is perfect for all seasons, to be honest. Because I love this for fall, I love this for winter, I love it for spring, I love it for summer. It just works, you know? It works. So the front is plucked beautifully, right? Really nice and realistic. Inside of the wig looks like this. You know, standard cap construction. Has an extra elastic band in there, which is adjustable as well. And it's a medium brown tone for the lace. And there's a total of 3 combs on the inside, as well as adjustable straps in the back. So nicely done. Very nicely done. Look at that. Beautiful. So I'm going to be gluing this on today. I'm going to be doing a very nice glue install. Guys, when you hear the excitement, yeah, I'm happy for that way here. I'm happy for the look. So let's go ahead and jump into installing this. Let's go. Okay, so the lace portion is definitely a little too long. So I have to go in and cut away the excess. I'm all about preserving my edges, so I never ever put the hairline of the wig on my natural hairline. You must be crazy. Hell no. Me not do that to myself. So I want to wear my ponytails in comfort. You feel me? So yeah. So that looks good. So I'm just gonna cut away the excess, and I'm still gonna I need to order some new Hold Me Down from Erica J's line, because for me right now it's just the best. Or maybe I could just, the thing is I could really just go ahead and get some boho, because even boho is, I rate it over the ebbing, but the ebbing is all I have. But it's been getting the job done really nice. It's still in there. Just I like when I apply my glue. I love when it dries down clear really quickly. So yeah, that fits comfortably around the ears. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. Alright, so now time to just go ahead and apply this glue. And yeah. So that's what I'm gonna do. So you guys know the drill. I'm gonna just speed it up.
Feelings, it's like I can't walk on the ceiling. Oh yeah, got me dreaming in colors I never dreamed. Oh yeah.
I went ahead and finessed the edges. Okay, so this is the hair in its dry state, which is absolutely gorgeous. Love it. It's so, like, it feels strong, it feels healthy. I love it. It does have shedding, very minimal though, so I can appreciate that. You know, that's fine. I'm gonna go ahead and do a center part. Yeah, I'm just gonna do a center part, and then I'm gonna drench it and really just redefine, even though it's really defined, but like it's in its dry state. So I'm gonna get it nice and juicy and wet, with just some water. So yeah, let's go. Already did this side, and you see how gorgeous those curls are. It's so pretty. And these are very tight curls, so you know you have to practice to really detangle this. Like if you're gonna wear it for a number of days, like you need to detangle this each and every single day if you don't want it to get like matted and really challenging to like manage. Okay, so this is really full from the root to the tip of the wig, like very full, and these curls very juicy. So now they're very tight, and when you're dealing with tighter curly textures, you need to really make sure you maintain them. You see that? Okay, so that's definitely me. So I need to fix that. Guys, that's it for today's Insta. It is so pretty. So pretty. What do you guys think? And it's perfect for, you know, that girl who wants to dibble and dabble into color and don't want it to be too bold. This is definitely not too bold. It's so full. It's so full, guys. Like, you're getting your money's worth. Like, what they say it is what you're getting. Beautiful curly texture. The color is gorgeous. It's just amazing. The lace melted down really nicely. As you guys can see, it looks really good. So I definitely would highly recommend, if you're looking for a beautiful ginger curly lace front wig, transparent lace to be exact, yeah, you found it. You found it here. So shout out to Beauty Forever here for another gorgeous lace front wig. And I hope you guys found today's video informative. If you like the wig, go ahead and like this video, share it, you know, drop your positive vibes down below in the comments. And that's it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'm gonna see you in my next video. Bye.